Alright, what's up guys? Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to be showing my inline one stroke Lego vacuum engine. And this is my only engine that actually works. So I'm just going to start her up. This engine right here, I have not added a rever for it. I've not added a throttle yet because every throttle I've tried with this engine so far, it's not worked for it, and it's quite a finicky engine, but I get it to run now and then. See ya.